All of these discussions touching on nothing you'd ever said to my face. You think it was the gospel, but they're only trouble. I ain't got the time to waste. You need to get away, 'cause life's too short. You must be quite online. They should really take the notes and somewhere else, 'cause you've got to realize I'm doing me regardless, and I don't care what you say about it. And it don't matter if you like it or not. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop doing me regardless? No, I don't care what you say about it, and I'ma do it any way that I want. I'm having all this fun, so why would I ever stop? Some people are so mean, I'll be on a phone screen when we're trying to live our lives. Why you gotta be so vicious? Be about your business instead of getting up